Hi everyone! Today, we'll practice 20 words from the Oxford 5000 with example sentences. Just listen and repeat after me. Lucky. Lucky. Having good fortune or something good happening by chance. Having good fortune or something good happening by chance. She felt lucky to have such supportive friends. She felt lucky to have such supportive friends. You're so lucky to find a parking spot right in front of the store. You're so lucky to find a parking spot right in front of the store. Animal. Animal. A living creature that is not a human or plant. A living creature that is not a human or plant. The animal ran quickly through the forest. The animal ran quickly through the forest. Ajin loves visiting the zoo to see every animal. Ajin loves visiting the zoo to see every animal. Towel. Towel. A piece of cloth used for drying something. A piece of cloth used for drying something. Please bring a towel to dry your hands. Please bring a towel to dry your hands. He grabbed a towel after swimming in the pool. He grabbed a towel after swimming in the pool. Mouth. Mouth. The part of the face used for eating and speaking. The part of the face used for eating and speaking. She opened her mouth to take a bite of the apple. She opened her mouth to take a bite of the apple. Don't talk with food in your mouth. Don't talk with food in your mouth. Fat. Fat. A natural oily substance in the body or food. A natural oily substance in the body or food. Eating too much fat can be unhealthy. Eating too much fat can be unhealthy. The doctor advised him to reduce fat in his diet. The doctor advised him to reduce fat in his diet. Good. Good. Something that is morally right or brings benefit. Something that is morally right or brings benefit. Helping others is a good thing. Helping others is a good thing. Too much good food can make you gain weight. Too much good food can make you gain weight. Not. Not. Used to make a word or sentence negative. Used to make a word or sentence negative. I'm not ready to go yet. I'm not ready to go yet. She did not like the movie at all. She did not like the movie at all. Board. Board. A flat piece of material, often used for writing or building. A flat piece of material, often used for writing or building. The teacher wrote on the board. The teacher wrote on the board. They nailed a board across the broken window. They nailed a board across the broken window. Skiing. Skiing. The sport of moving over snow on skis. The sport of moving over snow on skis. We went skiing in Colorado last winter. We went skiing in Colorado last winter. She is learning skiing for the first time this year. She is learning skiing for the first time this year. Dream. Dream. A series of thoughts or images during sleep, to experience such thoughts. A series of thoughts or images during sleep, to experience such thoughts. I had a strange dream last night. I had a strange dream last night. She dreams of becoming a famous artist one day. She dreams of becoming a famous artist one day. Nobody. Nobody. No person. Not anyone. No person. Not anyone. Nobody knew the answer to the question. Nobody knew the answer to the question. It was so early that nobody was in the park. It was so early that nobody was in the park. Wind. Wind. A natural movement of air outside. A natural movement of air outside. The wind blew gently through the trees. The wind blew gently through the trees. A strong wind made it hard to walk. A strong wind made it hard to walk. Last. Last. Final, coming after all others. Final, coming after all others. This is the last chapter of the book. This is the last chapter of the book. She finished in last place but kept smiling. She finished in last place but kept smiling. Banana. Banana. A long curved yellow fruit. A long curved yellow fruit. He peeled a banana for breakfast. He peeled a banana for breakfast. Monkeys love eating bananas. Monkeys love eating bananas. Number. Number. To give a number to something, or count items. To give a number to something, or count items. The pages are numbered at the bottom. The pages are numbered at the bottom. Please number each question on your paper. Please number each question on your paper. Third. Third. The position after second and before fourth. The position after second and before fourth. She finished in third place in the race. She finished in third place in the race. This is the third time I've called you today. This is the third time I've called you today. Personality. Personality. The combination of qualities that make a person unique. The combination of qualities that make a person unique. She has a friendly personality that everyone likes. She has a friendly personality that everyone likes. Your personality can influence how people see you. Your personality can influence how people see you. Stupid. Stupid. Not intelligent or showing poor judgment. Not intelligent or showing poor judgment. That was a stupid mistake to make. That was a stupid mistake to make. He felt stupid for forgetting his homework again. He felt stupid for forgetting his homework again. Across. Across. From one side to the other. From one side to the other. They walked across the bridge together. They walked across the bridge together. Her house is right across the street from the park. Her house is right across the street from the park. Expect. Expect. To think or believe something will happen. To think or believe something will happen. I expect it will rain later today. I expect it will rain later today. She didn't expect to see him at the party. She didn't expect to see him at the party. That's it for today. I'll cover the Oxford 5000 from beginner to advanced, so don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.